One UI 7 update. Hit or miss for your S24. It's wise to pause and consider the reports surrounding the One UI 7 update for your Galaxy S24 series phone before immediately installing it. While major updates often bring exciting new features and improvements, they can sometimes be accompanied by initial issues that might impact your phone's usability. Recent reports indicate that some Galaxy S24 Ultra users have encountered problems with downloading the One UI 7 update, with error messages disrupting the process. This isn't the first hiccup, as the initial rollout was temporarily halted earlier this month due to a serious bug that caused screen unlock failures for some users. Although the update resumed with a revised build, the download issues persist for a segment of users. Beyond installation problems, some users who have successfully updated are reporting concerns about increased battery drain and potential overheating, particularly during gaming. There are also isolated reports of features like screen mirroring being broken after the update. While it's common for a new software version to undergo a period of background optimization that might temporarily affect battery life, persistent drain and heating issues are worth noting. However, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. Many users may experience a smooth update process and enjoy the new features without significant problems. Software updates are complex, and issues can sometimes be specific to certain device configurations or usage patterns. Given the reported issues, exercising a bit of patience might be beneficial. This will allow Samsung to identify and address any widespread bugs through subsequent updates or patches. Monitoring online forums and tech news outlets for more user feedback and official statements from Samsung can provide a clearer picture of the update stability in the coming days and weeks. If you decide to wait, you won't miss out on crucial security updates, as Samsung typically releases separate security patches. You can continue to use your phone with the current stable version of One UI until you feel confident that the One UI 7 update is stable and reliable for your device. When you eventually do decide to update, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and a sufficient battery charge to minimize any potential disruptions during the installation process.